Davinci Resolve is an all-in-one editing software that combines color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and editing. Whether you want to edit TikToks, make a music video, or edit a delicious recipe, here are some basics to get you started. First, drag your video clips onto Davinci's timeline. If you have more than one, you can drag them all. Once you've dragged a clip onto Davinci, you'll get this message. To make sure your video quality is looking good, you'll want to press change. Now that you have your clips on your timeline, you're ready to start editing. To begin, be sure to go to the editing page. You can find the button to do that at the bottom of your screen. You may also alter the way your screen looks by dragging this line and this line. These ones too. Okay, now to transform your clips, whether you want to zoom in and out or move an image to a certain spot on the screen, you have to press this button, then press transform. You will now be able to move your clip or zoom in and out of it. You can also control these settings here, on the right side of your screen. Just drag the number bar left to right and watch your image on the left move. If you want to crop your screen, you can press that same button and press cropping, and it works the same way. If you want to transform your video for just a couple seconds instead of the whole thing, you will first need to cut your clip, and this is how you do that. You can either use this blade and click your clip to make cuts, or you can highlight your timeline and press Ctrl B. To speed up or slow down your clips, highlight the section you want to change. Then, right-click, press Change Clip Speed, and change the speed however you'd like. You may also check off Ripple Timeline to make sure that your speed up or slow down clip is still the same cut. To add a freeze frame, for example, something flew across the screen and you want to focus the second it appeared on the screen. Here's what you have to do. First, zoom in on your timeline for a better look. Then, press your right or left arrow key and cut your timeline. Then, right-click the small clip, press Change Clip Speed, and check off Freeze Frame. You can now make your freeze frame as long as you'd like by dragging it across your timeline. If you want to add words or titles to your video, here's what you have to do. First, press the effects button at the top, then press titles and choose a title that you'd like. Once you've found a title that you like, you can drag that onto your timeline. Then on the right side of your screen, you can type any message that you'd like. You can also add a border or drop shadow to your text by pressing the shading button. Pressing number 2 and then enable will allow you to use a text border. Enabling number 3 will allow you to use a drop shadow. Now, if you're interested in making TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, you'll have to change the orientation of your screen. Simply press the cut button at the bottom of your screen, and at the top right, you can change your timeline resolution. You'll want to press portrait mode for Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. Once you have that done, you can go back to your editing screen and transform and crop your clips so that it fits the screen perfectly. Now that you know the basics, you can go ahead and edit your first video.